Alrighty guys, in the new shop, chilling like a villain with Miss Peaches. Alright y'all, welcome back to another Powerstrokerick YouTube video. No, we're not working on a Power Stroke today. We're doing a PPE catback stainless exhaust on a 2018 GMC 1500. Good buddy of mine, Tyler's. We're gonna dial her in. Like a sore dick, can't beat it. As always, I want to thank everyone for sticking around, watching my videos, supporting me. All much appreciated. If you want any merch, hit me up. I got merch. Yeah, so we're gonna show you putting this stainless catback exhaust on. Welcome back to the Powerstrokerick YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. Talk to him. We got Davey Crockett inspecting.
Look at this.
The tools all made it here, buddy.
I can't believe
They made it. All right, guys, check it out. GMC 1500, makeshift lift, Pacific Performance Engineering, stainless catback exhaust with a muffle bearing. We're gonna show you a little install video here. Nothing too crazy, right, Peaches? A little cut and dry action. Got the truck thawing out in the shop. We'll get under here, and basically they're gonna come out the sides. So we got this, all these hangers here. We're gonna take off that little resonator right there. He's got a stock muffler right here. We're gonna take that off too, run it down this way, and we're gonna make it happen. So yeah, as always, hit that subscribe button. Let's check it out, y'all. See you. All right, guys, we're doing a little startup video here.
we unplug the heater.
Yeah, we turn it off. Peaches, what's he doing? This is your stock 5.3. See what she sounds like. Oh. Oh yeah, we're gonna make this thing a lot louder. This gen sucks.
Little rev, what do we got?
All right. Yeah, guys, we're gonna make this thing twinkle, twinkle, little star. You know what I'm saying, Dave?
Absolutely.
Gang, gang. OG, Powerstrokerick, and Davey Crockett way. We're cutting.
Let's go.
We ain't saving nothing. Oh yeah, that's dialed in. So guys, go on to your Home Depot, get you an old sawzall, start cutting.
We're trying to figure out how we can get rid of this thing.
Yeah, we gotta get rid of that thing too. They don't put that in the instructions to start cutting, but you know, here we are. We ain't messing around. Tyler's gonna hit the scrapyard on the way home.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's all good scrap.
Oh, well, good scrap.
It's somewhat scrap.
It's fucking scrap.
So guys, you got your hangers right there. We sprayed them down with some Croil. Honestly,
right there,
you can cut all this stuff off if you want. It ain't too crazy. Probably be adding a hanger in somewhere down here.
We're trying to like keep it in case it doesn't work. Oh, I'm trying this home with nothing.
Oh yeah, Tyler, okay, we might as well just cut the whole thing off. Got Dave cleaning up with that 90-degree snappy. Snap off.
Nicest hoodie I got. Lasted 5 minutes.
Dude, I know, you wore the wrong color, man. Damn, Dave, you need a muffler? Look at this big old son of a bitch. Alright. That, boys and gals,
I'm liking it.
that's how you do it.
I never had 3 fucking roll-around carts on a job.
Dave, I even got the knee roller for you too, man.
Roll all around. Tyler, get rid of this fucking tire. What do you got this thing on here for?
Yeah, what's up with that?
Fucking sawzall that one. This tire's got more tread on it than these, dude. Look at this. Dude, look at how nice the spare tire that is.
It's like brand new. Oh yeah, guys, we're having fun.
Right.
We're gonna try and heave-ho this thing. What's that? got Tyler using that Lyle exhaust hanger tool. Dave don't approve of it, but you know.
I'm not sold on it.
All right, never mind. No one approves of it. You gotta hit it with some Croyle. Hold on, Tyler. You ready? Let me hit you up.
What's that thing back there?
Here, watch. Tyler, watch your face.
Easy now.
There you go. Try some of that. As Richard Rawlings would say at Gas Monkey Garage, get you some.
Go on, get you some.
Get you some, man.
I want to touch it, but you just sprayed it.
Oh yeah, that's, ladies and gentlemen, how you get rid of that factory exhaust. Now we're gonna go PPE.
Shop.
Now, is there a different clamp that slides over that, or is it that one?
No, it's this one.
It is this one? Oh yeah.
I think. Oh, that clamp?
Yeah.
That would make sense, right?
Yeah, that's right. Nice and shiny.
So what? I'd have to probably take this off.
Let me see, what's that hanger look like?
It.
Oh yeah, you might, yeah, with like.
This has got two of them.
Mm-hmm. What do you think? You want to try that? How's that seem? Oh, we're at. Gang, gang. Hit that one.
You get to it?
Yep. Good?
Yeah.
We'll have to do a once over. Fucking.
Do the mock-up job?
Yeah, you know how we got with mock-ups, Dave. We'll do a mock-up, and we forgot we did a mock-up. Drive her home. All right,
Rust on this thing.
Dave, get in on this over here.
I was checking out the rust real quick.
All right, this guy, yeah, it's a little rusty. Sorry, Tyler. But guys, this hanger right here, you take how it's two-piece, you take one out, you slide that in the back one, and then bada bing, bada boom, and then we're dialed. Tyler, they don't give you hangers?
What?
No, it's on. It just goes black. No? And then Dave, just hit the top button. But do you want to stop it? No, it's supposed to stay flat. Yes. Little pizza content over here, y'all. So yeah, we're going for muffler next. Alright guys, muffler bearing is on. We're now mocking up the add-on, the other slip-on. So we'll use that hanger right there.
Oh my god, I called you Nicholas.
Damn, Dave, that feels weird, man.
It felt weird to me.
He's like, it felt weird coming out. He's like, I'm sorry, Rick. Oh, yeah. Cut and dry install, guys. Your exhaust hanger add-on, driver's side of the truck. This is a 2018 GMC 1500, by the way. You're bolting that bad boy right there. We'll do a full overview, guys, but this is a cut. Oh yeah, guys, this thing is dialed in. Look at that. Fully 304 stainless, Pacific Performance Engineering exhaust. Very nice. We got Tyler plugging her up over here. Looking sweet. Guys, full install is done on this 5.3 2018 GMC 15 hundo with the Pacific Performance Engineering stainless catback exhaust. We're gonna get underneath this thing and show you guys. We haven't done a sound clip yet, but we're getting there. We're gonna show you what we got here. So you're coming right underneath this cat right here, clamping this extension piece. You're running down here. You're moving that clamp. See how it's the two fingers break down into one finger like that. Hang it like that, like so. Come down here. PPE. Look at that. roll your ass down here. 2 clamps, 1 hanger there, another hanger there. Breaks off into 2 over the axle. You go right there to that hanger. This one, come running down here to that hanger. This is an add-on hanger that you're adding on the driver's side frame rail. Look at that.
I feel like there's a leeway.
This thing's dialed. Yeah, go ahead.
The long fucking part of the driveway.
Yeah. All right, y'all.
Check out so we can shut the door.
Yeah. We're ending this video, y'all. That's it. Stainless steel PPE exhaust on your 2018
I think I wired.
GMC. Hey, give it a rev and neutral real quick. Let's give him a little sauce. That sounds mint. I like it. We're gonna beat on her, y'all. That's it. Hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, subscribe, share. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Deuces. It's like sore dick. Can't beat it. Dang.